Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is the new channel, so there are I think six subscribers. So this is going to be a weekly love reading for the first week of February, starting from February 3rd to February 9th. I have already another channel which is a Hindi channel only. This channel I have started especially for my international clients, that means outside India, or people who are more comfortable in English language, right? So if you're more comfortable in English, please subscribe to this channel. Please like, follow and share and watch your readings. Okay. Because you are new, please know that I also do personal readings and oracle love readings as well. The charges are in the description box. You can either DM me on my Instagram channel, the Moksha Tarot, or you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. So let's how your first week in love is going to be. You've got the Pope and the Empress, and you've got the Abyss and the Death card. Now let me tell you, both Pope and Abyss card talks about wisdom, our wisdom, right? Or anyone else's wisdom we are surrounded with. So I do see that in the first week of February, there is a person in your life who is seeking wisdom from other people regarding you. They're talking about you, right? They're saying how to approach you. They're strategically trying to come to you. It can be a new person to all those who have been single, or it can be a past person to all those who have broken up with someone or who were in a situationship and that person wasn't committing to you. I do see that this person sees you as an empress, right? Or in empress energy. Even if you are a male, they see you in an empress energy, which means somebody who's good looking, good personality, intelligent, smart. They have respect for you. They see you as a loving, nurturing person who can fit in their family as a partner, right? As a husband or a wife. So they are definitely seeking advice from their friends, family, gurus, anyone regarding this relationship. If you're already married and if you had troubles, or if you were already in a relationship and you had troubles, definitely your partner is seeking advice as to how to come back to you now, or how to solve the issues with you in order to win you back. So I do see somebody giving them guidance, or them also using their internal wisdom to strategically come to you. Ebeska talks about your wisdom. So now when we are, when we have fought in a relationship, or we have gone through a breakup or separation situation, it's not like that when someone will come back, we will just take them back without questioning, right? Oh, thank God, I have been wishing you for you to come back. No, you are in your empress energy, you have raised your level, and you are using your wisdom to make decisions. So I do see that you're a wise person, smart person, listening to your intuition, your subconscious mind, and you are only going to make the right decision for yourself. Even if this person comes back, you're not going to immediately take them back, right? You're going to test the waters first. You're going to see if they come back with an apology, have they changed their behavior or not, have they improved the things that caused you problems or not. How are they coming back? Are they coming back with good intentions, with intentions of committing to you, getting married to you, right? If not, then you're not going to take them back. So I do see someone who has now realized your importance because you have raised the bar, because you have started focusing on yourself since the time you stopped talking to this person. I do see you focusing on yourself, your finances, your health, your exercise, everything, and that is what is making you more attractive for this person, right? Vibes wise, so there are energy, you have raised your energy. So if this person wants to come to you, this person will have to raise their energies as well, become better as well, right? So I do see major changes happening in the first week for you in terms of transformation. You are also transforming as a person. Maybe in the past you were the kind of person who will cry over somebody or chase someone. Now you're not. You are in your empress energy. Either you're a male or a female, it doesn't matter. Empress energy is you will sit and you will take the seat and you will, you know accordingly analyze the people and make your own decisions. You're not taking any bullshit anymore. So it is that kind of energy. So expect major changes, transformation. This is also a card of reunion. So either you will have a reconciliation from somebody coming from the past, apologizing, committing to you, or a new person is coming and definitely attracted to you, who will propose you for a proper committed relationship and marriage. So get ready for major changes. You will also feel that major changes are coming to you in the first week of February. You will see a lot of positivity around you. Your finances are improving, your health is improving, right? You will start to see that Pisces in the first week. So it is going to be a beautiful week for you. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Comment that yes, I resonated with this energy. If you want to claim and manifest the positive energies from this reading, please comment, I claim this energy, I manifest this energy, so that you can, attract that positive change faster. Please, you can always DM me or email me to book person readings or oracle love readings. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.